guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your dancing queen. So guys, not only dancing but I can also sing. So today I have decided to sing a beautiful Ganesha song for you. As everyone knows this song, it's not much popular, but I think I'm gonna make at least 10 likes for this video. So please keep supporting me so I grow more. So why late? Let's begin. गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने घानोत्सुकाय गानभट्टाय घानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदेवदलक्षेत्रे गुरुसर्वदरादाकाय गुरुपुत्रपरीक्षात्रे गुरुभाखण्डकण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमस्थाय भोजनप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. Guys, so the song has ended. So for the Ghana Chaturaya, I didn't do the music because it might take a lot of time to do the music and I'm not good at swaras, so I did not do it. If you're disappointed in me, I am really sorry. I didn't really mean to disappoint you guys. So if you like it, please like and subscribe. This is my new channel, and if you're also new to my channel, subscribe right away.